Okay, so I'm in my garden today because it is October, what is it, the 15th or 16th? And I noticed that my sweet potato vines had kind of started to die off, basically. And I'll show you those, which are here. These are the sweet potato vines that I've pulled and cut from the box container of sweet potatoes that I planted a while back, which is right here. So I said, okay, well, maybe I should go ahead and start digging and seeing if there's any type of growth in there. And as I was pulling the vines away, I noticed that there was one small potato, but nevertheless a sweet potato. So I was happy about that. So I said, okay, let's get to digging and see what is in here. And I wanted to share this with you guys. So hopefully I can do this with one hand without getting stung by the bees that are hovering over the hummingbird feeder. Look at the bees. I guess they're thirsty too, huh? So let's see if I can just knock some of the dirt off. I showed you in the last video that I know I saw one decent sized potato in here. Let's see what we can pull up as far as any other potato sizes. Considering my last potato video, my last harvest, oh my god, I just broke it in half. Okay, this is one of the reasons why you can't do this with two hands. I mean with one hand. I just broke it in half. Crap. But let's see. Hopefully I can still recover it. I didn't tear it up too bad. Uh-oh. Let's see. Maybe I'll try it this way. It's definitely not easy with one hand. Well, so far you guys can see that one right there, which of course, unfortunately, I broke it. But that is actually the biggest sweet potato I've harvested since I've started planting sweet potatoes. So I'm actually pretty proud of that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do this with two hands, and I'll get back to you guys and let you know what I have officially harvested. Okay, I am extremely thrilled. I'm not even finished yet, but I was so excited I had to show you guys this. So far, this is the harvest from my sweet potatoes, my container sweet potatoes. And as I begun to dig more, look at this one. Oh my god. I am so proud of that. Look at that big sweet potato. That is beautiful. Planted in a cardboard box. Alright, you guys, let me finish digging and hopefully I'll be able to get back to you. Okay, so I got my little shovel and we're going to dig this sweet potato out. It's pretty. One little one. There we go. That's a nice sized potato right there too. There's another one attached right to it. Look at that. Sounds of a proud gardener. Oh, I just love when I have a great harvest. Look at my little sweet potatoes, you guys. And one's still hiding in there. There's one hiding right there. Still not done digging them up. But very proud Now this is a harvest so far. Alright you guys, so far this is now the biggest sweet potato I have harvested. I am so happy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now that is a nice sized sweet potato. So far this is what we have on the table. And I'm going to keep digging. Still more in there. Alright you guys, I have dug up every potato that I think was in my container, box container, sweet potato bed that was planted right here. Excuse me, sorry about that you guys. My allergies are acting up now. Like I was saying, this was the container sweet potato garden that I had planted sweet potatoes in a box, and this is my harvest. Check it out. Look at the sizes of these potatoes. I am so proud of this harvest. Oh my goodness. I wanted to share this with you guys. I have 2 more containers that I have to harvest. But this is going to be the only one I'm going to do today because the bees are crazy out here. But I wanted to share this with you guys. My first full-size sweet potato harvest ever. And I'm just extremely elated. So, happy gardening. Love you guys. Make sure you subscribe. And never give up hope on your garden.